Forever Moments.
Welcome back to the channel. Kung may isang pamilya sa Philippine showbiz na literal na nanalo sa genetic lottery, sino pa ba ang unang papasok sa isip natin? Walang iba kundi ang pamilya ni Aga Mulak at Charlene Gonzalez. Pero today, hindi tayo magfo-focus sa 90s matinee idol at sa ating Miss Universe Philippines 1994. Kasi as of 2026, ang spotlight ay nasa kanilang next generation superstars, ang kambal na sina Atasha at Andres Mulak. Parang kailan lang nakikita natin silang mga cute na bata sa mga Jollibee commercials kasama ang parents nila. But now, at 24 years old, turning 25 this November 5th, 2026, they are officially taking over the Philippine entertainment industry. At hindi lang puro ganda at gwapo ang ambag nila, brains, talent, and super humble personalities. Kaya kung gusto nyong malaman kung nasaan na at ano na ang mga latest ganap ni na Atasha at Andres ngayong 2026, get your snacks ready. This is the complete, updated profile of the Mulak twins.
Good evening. First of all, of course, I want to thank Sir MVP.
Before we talk about their massive showbiz success, let's rewind a bit. Alam nyo ba na despite being showbiz royalty, Aga and Charlene purposely kept the twins away from the limelight habang lumalaki sila? Yes, nagka-commercial sila nung bata pa. Pero the number one rule of the Mulak household was simple: education first. Walang showbiz hanggat walang diploma. The parents promise na susuportahan nila ang kambal sa kahit anong gusto nilang gawin, basta makatapos muna sila sa pag-aaral. Si Atasha, lumipad pa UK para mag-aral. Last July 2023, she proudly graduated with honors in business from Nottingham Trent University. Meanwhile, si Andres naman took his college studies to Spain, specifically sa St. Louis University Madrid campus. Imagine you have the looks, the connections, and the money, pero they chose to live independently as students abroad. This grounded upbringing is exactly the reason kung bakit kapag ini-interview sila ngayon, everyone notices how incredibly polite, articulate, at humble nilang dalawa.
Me? Obviously, but if you could tell the way I was standing and swaying, very nervous up to now. I'm not used to this kind of thing. Yeah.
Now, let's talk about the girl who broke the internet first, Atasha Mulak. Pagkatapos niyang makuha ang diploma niya in 2023, she didn't waste any time. Pumirma agad siya sa Viva Artists Agency and officially entered showbiz. Pero ang hindi inexpect ng marami, her comedic timing. Atasha joined the longest-running noontime show, Eat Bulaga, and she was an instant hit. Akala ng mga tao, demure at shy siya, pero swak na swak pala siya sa mga dabarkads. She proved na she's naturally charming, makulit, and very game sa kahit anong joke. Magandang training ground din ng Eat Bulaga para lalong mahasa ang pagtatagalog niya. Aside from hosting, Atasha also explored her musical side. Nag-release siya ng single na Pasuyo and showcased her lovely singing voice.
Suyo naman, pwede ba?
Fast forward to 2026, Atasha is now a prime brand ambassador for top-tier beauty and fashion brands, balancing her TV hosting with major endorsements. Siyempre, kung pumasok si Atasha, hindi nagpahuli ang buong pamilya. 2024 was a monumental year for the Mulaks because they signed a massive partnership deal with TV5, Signal, and Viva. Ang Dappers Family aired from July 2024 until early 2025.
Business. I'm Aga Purse, your friendly neighborhood panadero.
It was a huge treat for the fans kasi imagine Aga, Charlene, Atasha and Andres acting together on one screen. Ayon nga kay Aga sa isang interview, kabado daw siya para sa mga anak niya kasi ayaw niya ng take 2 or take 3 dahil sa maling Tagalog. It was the perfect launching pad for Andres and it gave the audiences a glimpse of their genuine raw family dynamic. Sobrang natural ng batuhan nila ng linya.
Use vampira in a sentence.
Kung vampira ka, pakakagat ako sa'yo.
Now, let's talk about the man of the hour. Ang lalaking nagpapatibok ng puso ng Gen Z at Gen Alpha ngayon, Andres Mulak.
Walk like an angel.
Nung pumasok si Andres sa showbiz noong early 2024, alam na ng lahat na he is destined to be the next crush ng bayan, taking after his dad. In 2025, Andres starred in the hit web series Ang Mutya ng Section E, where he played Mark Kiefer Watson. Doon pumutok ang love team nilang Ash Dress. Nagulat ang marami kasi sobrang organic ng chemistry nila, and Andres proved he has serious acting chops. Pero ito ang pinaka-mind-blowing moment niya for 2026. Early this year, from January to March 2026, Andres made his highly anticipated stage debut sa Newport Performing Arts Theater for Bagets the Musical. At alam niyo ba kung anong role ang ginampanan niya? He played Adi, the exact same iconic role that his father, Aga Mulak, played in the original 1984 blockbuster film. Talk about a full-circle legacy moment. Nakaka-goosebumps na makita si Andres grooving to the 80s hits. At para sa mga umaasa diyan, here is the ultimate 2026 update kay Andres. Sa isang recent sit-down interview with Tito Boy Abunda noong February this year, Andres revealed his relationship status. Ang chika? NBSB siya, no girlfriend since birth.
Diretsang tanong, nagka-girlfriend ka na?
Hindi pa, Tito Boy.
Hindi pa. Okay, but that's by choice.
Yes, you heard that right. Nilinaw ni Andres na it's by choice dahil sobrang nakafocus siya sa bigat ng trabaho niya ngayon. Aga Mulak and Charlene Gonzalez didn't just raise incredibly good-looking kids. They raised kind, hard-working, and grounded individuals. Ngayong 2026, Atasha and Andres are no longer just the kids of Aga and Charlene. They have successfully built their own names and their own legacies. And honestly, we are just excited to see what they will conquer next. Kayo ba, guys? Ano ang favorite project nyo ni na Atasha at Andres so far? Team Eat Bulaga ka ba ni Atasha o Team Ashdress at Bagets ni Andres? Let me know sa comment section down below. Don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your fellow Papski, and subscribe to the channel for more updated celebrity deep dives.